Today, we're taking a closer look at the Emeril Lagasse 26-quart Extra Large Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven with elegant French doors. If you're looking for versatility, capacity, and sleek design in one appliance, this might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. With its spacious 26-quart capacity, this extra-large air fryer oven lets you cook for the whole family or prep for a gathering. You can roast an entire chicken, bake pizzas, or even toast up to 6 slices of. Let's talk functionality. This appliance combines 10 kitchen appliances into one, including an air fryer, convection oven, toaster, rotisserie, and dehydrator. With 24 custom presets, you can air fry crispy wings, bake a cake, broil seafood, slow cook stews, and even dehydrate fruits. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to select your cooking function, adjust time, and temperature. The convection heating system circulates hot air rapidly for you. You also get a variety of handy accessories, including a rotisserie spit for juicy, evenly cooked meats, wire racks, a baking pan, and a drip tray. Cleanup is quick and easy, thanks to the non-stick interior and removable crumb tray. Stainless steel exterior. A stainless steel exterior provides a beautiful aesthetic to any kitchen, taking your party hosting to the next level. An elegant French doors open with a single pull. Interior light allows you to monitor. Whether you're an experienced chef or just looking to simplify meal prep, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large Air Fryer Oven gives you all the tools you need for quick, delicious, and healthy meals. It's like having a professional kitchen right on your countertop. Thanks for watching this review video.